This is the previous location of this customer's shed, which is no longer here. The tornado took care of that. And you can see behind me there's snap trees, homes in the background, roofs removed. About a year and a half ago, we put solar screens on this home behind me. A couple of weeks ago, had tornadoes come through the back here, took down fences, took down trees, blew tops of houses away. But Skinner screens are still on this house. This material is extra tough. If you need solar screens to protect your home, reflect the heat, give us a call, 512-863-5145. You can catch us on the web at skinnerscreens.com or check out our YouTube channel. Subscribe if you like. Thanks for watching.